What's up, my fellow devs, and welcome back to the Dev Shop. So today we're going to pick up where we left off earlier in the day. We're setting up our ammo counter. Now it's not going to be working in the sense that we can shoot. That's going to be for a later series, which I would like you guys to let me know what you want to see next. I have a poll right here in the top right corner. Vote, or not necessarily vote, but let me know what you guys want to see. Whatever gets the most interest, I'll try to pinpoint that. If what you want to see isn't really on the card, then you can always join the Discord, go to the Lumberyard section, and post in the tutorial suggestion area and let me know what you guys want to see, what you want to see explained more, elaborated on, whatnot. And that will be helpful to help us build the channel even more to you guys' liking. But let's get right into the video. It should be pretty simple for what we want to do for the most part. We have, of course, our script canvas, and we're going to open that. And what we're doing is actually setting up our HUD to read our ammo and what we have left over. So we're going to create two variables. One is a number called bullets. Another one is a number called mags for magazines. And we're going to expose these on component. All right, and at the beginning of the game, we want to go to actually timing and get our on the graph so we can do the beginning. We're going to have a little delay. As I stated before, it's always good to do a delay so we can make sure that what's being called at the beginning of the game gets called. Let's do 0.3. And we're going to actually create another event. So hover over script events, or sorry, UI events, because we want to add under that. We're going to add another event. We're going to call this one weapon, I don't know, let's say counter UI. And we're going to add two parameters actually. One is going to be for bullets, or bullets remaining. It's going to be a number, of course, and the other is going to be max remaining. That's also going to be a number. And let's go ahead and save that. All right, so we want to get our bullets and our mags. And if you don't know the shortcut for that, if you hold shift before grabbing your variable and you drag it out, it's going to get the get version. If you hold, I believe it's alt, you get the set version. So just in case you forgot that or you didn't know it, now you know. All right, so let's plug that in. Plug that in as well. All right, so we want to grab our weapon counter UI and we want to use send. And we're going to plug the next execution pin in and tag in our ammo remaining and our mags remaining. All right, and that's actually it right there. So on grab start, we want to set the ammo. So I'm going to go ahead and X out of here, make sure that we have our bullets exposed component. Hit save. All right, and I'm going to tag in 30 and mags left. I'm going to say 5. Now we want to go to our UI. Want to hover over the ammo text, or for this is text 3. I'm going to add a script component. Sorry, script canvas component. Open that up. All right, I'm going to give us a new graph, and I'm going to drag in our weapon counter UI. I'm going to receive. And what I want to do here is a little bit tricky. So we have to basically build a string structure or a string builder if you're coming from like a Unreal Engine or something like that. And then we're gonna have to set our text. And usually you would use something like toString, but we're not gonna use that here. We're gonna actually grab build string twice because we have two numbers. Now in this instance, I'm not sure how to truncate inside of script canvas. So I'm gonna have to look into that for you guys, and I'll update either the video inside of the description or something like that. But for now, we're just gonna deal with it. So we're gonna plug these in. So we have a build string for our ammo remaining, a build string for our max remaining, and then we're gonna add them together. So we need to add. And add, you can put in any value, and whatever value that you use, it turns into that whole value for like value B and value C. So if I plug in string to value A, value B turns into a string. So I'm going to plug this in, and we don't want to directly plug in string B per se, because we want to actually kind of format how we want it to look. So if I plug in that right there, we're going to get a string C basically. So I'm going to drag this to string C. And then I'm going to close, or actually delete that one, so we have a middle. So I'm gonna enter the box, hit space, / space again. So that should give us a mags on the right side and our bullets on the left side. All right. So those two added together is going to give us a result, and we want to set that to our text. So if we go to set text. For our UI text, we're going to do that. It takes in a string, so we just plug that in, just like that. And I believe this, since we're using the build string, it's going to add decimals. And like I said, I don't know how to truncate that right now, but I will. Once I do, I will update the video for you guys. So hit save. We're going to call it ammo counter. Hit save. Let's go ahead and X out of this. Make sure that we add it here. All right, let's X out here, hit save. And when I hit play, we should have a ammo counter of 30/5. As you can see, we have a 30/5. There we go. We have our health bar. We have our ammo counter working. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Don't forget to like, share, hit the notification button so you can get all my latest videos when they drop. Don't forget to join the Discord if you guys have any questions or comments about anything outside of YouTube. For Lumberyard or any other engine, or if you just want to kick it, join the Discord. We're trying to build a community over there as well. But other than that, I hope you guys are having a very dope day. Hope you guys are prospering on your projects. And until next time, keep developing.